So it created this concept where everything is a balance. It's a balance between how fast you decline, you lose cells, and how fast you can replace the cells that are being lost. As long as you maintain that balance, you can stay healthy. So I published on this in 2013 as a novel understanding of disease formation. And in that paper, I was sort of saying, if all of that is true, there is one way to test this concept. Go count the number of stem cells in the bloodstream of people who have developed any kind of so-called age-related diseases and compare that to the number of stem cells that you can find in a healthy person. Now, many of these studies have been developed. Have been published. So I'll go quickly through them. The point is not the technicality of them. Just see the trend that is emerging. Number of stem cells in circulation at various stages of the development of diabetes. Impaired fasting glucose, impaired glucose tolerance, diabetes. If you look at kidney function, people who have kidney failure have about less than a third of the number of stem cells that you found in healthy people. You take all these people, you make a graph of stem cells and kidney function, you have a straight line. If you look at erectile dysfunction, people complaining of erectile dysfunction, normal people, if I take the average, about half the number of stem cells. I quantify erectile function in all these people, make a graph between erectile function and number of stem cells, you have a straight line. Erectile function has a lot to do with vascular function, so it takes the broadest parameter for vascular function, hypertension. People with hypertension, about half the number of stem cells compared to people that don't have hypertension. Same thing with COPD, pulmonary disease. Same thing with digestive problem. Same thing with heart disease. Same thing with Alzheimer's. Same things with Parkinson. I don't have it here, rheumatoid arthritis. The list keeps going. Anytime a new disease is looked at, you find the same relationship. So the conclusion, and that's really all that matters as a message, I wanted you to see all the studies from which this is coming. More stem cells in circulation mean that you can repair better, or you can maintain the health that you have today.